While announcing the distribution of the Vidya Kanuka Kits, CM Jagan apprised that the YSRCP government has spent a whopping 1,042 rupees crore for procuring the kits this year. Each kit costs 2,400 rupees, and these kits will benefit as many as 43.10 lakh children studying in classes 110. The kits went through a 4-stage scrutiny by the Quality Council of India and were handed over to students on the day of the reopening of schools. Vidya Kanuka kits provided to students consist of essential stationery items to ensure that no student suffers from a lack of availability of resources. These kits include school bags, bilingual textbooks, stationery, uniform with cloth belts, shoes, and other schooling essentials. Till now, 3,366 rupees crore has been spent on the scheme.
Before addressing the massive crowd, the CM launched interactive flat panels at a model school here and held an interactive session with the students. Addressing the public meeting, Chief Minister Jagan Mohan Reddy shared his vision to provide the best education to AP children under his chairmanship. He envisioned matching up to international standards of education in government schools. CM Reddy shared that he wanted the poor children of Andhra Pradesh to be adept with futuristic technologies and modern concepts. He further said that in the coming days, his government would be adding modern concepts like artificial intelligence, machine learning, language modules, and ChatGPT to the syllabus. It is also pertinent to note that CM Reddy also formed a committee on Sunday to explore how these concepts can be inculcated in day-to-day learning, to make students privy to new technologies.
Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more captivating episodes on education opportunities from EOE TV.